Senators are highly suspicious of premature insertions sneaked into the National Expenditure Program by lawmakers colluding with government agencies and third-party vendors. Insertions in the amount of hundreds of millions and even billions, which lawmakers are befuddled on how to trace their roots or sources, as our Daniel Manalastas reports.
Some senators flagged a number of flood control projects in certain provinces. During the briefing of Development Budget Coordination Committee to the Senate Committee on Finance for the 2026 proposed budget, senators noticed suspicious duplicate items with seems like uniform amounts.
Sa Antique at Iloilo, same amount, 149,750,000 each, at hindi man lang ginawang 149 flat o isa na lang sa 150 para may pangkape. Pare-pareho po ang halaga hanggang sa huling piso. Nilagyan pa ng butal para hindi po halata.
Ito po, nanggaling po to sa proposal ng DPWH. Hindi po kaya ng DBM i-check. Wala po sa mandato ng DBM i-check. Wala po kaming ganong expertise to check. We assume that the DPWH already knows what they're doing.
The same project na sa GAAD 2025, the same project in nasa NEP 2026. Yan, the same. In 2025, construction of flood mitigation structure, Agoa River. Ang nangyayari kasi, dinadala dito na lumalampas sa scrutiny ninyo. Dapat mag-scrutinize pa kayo ng maigi kasi very obvious naman to eh. Diba? Hindi siya clerical error, sinasadya itong ganitong panloloko ilagay sa NEP.
Even Senator Panfilo Lacson cited this a red flag, wherein project costs involved billions.
Red flag po ito eh. We are willing to amend and delete all these similarly costed projects. Kasi yung huling bilang namin, yung 373 items na tigwa 100 million, that's already 37.3 billion. So as of our initial count, nasa mga 50 billion pesos na yung pare-pareho, yung red flag.
Secretary Vince is already investigating ito pong mga doble-doble, pare-parehong pangalan.
Senators also flagged the alleged insertions in the 2026 budget, which allegedly appear even in the National Expenditure Program.
Quadruple WAMI, NEP may insertion, House Gov may insertion, Senate version may insertion, BICAM may insertion, quadruple WAMI po ang tama ng Pilipino rito, if you agree.
We agree po.
Yeah. Contractors have invaded the House of Representatives and congressmen have invaded contractors have invaded the House of Representatives and congressmen have invaded the contractor construction business. Ito po yung outcome. Kasi NEP pa lang, pinapayagan na sila ng DPWH.
I have received reports na susubukan ng ilan na magpasok o kargahan, magkaroon ng insertion sa NEP pa lamang.
Moving forward, rest assured po that we will try to do something po para maiwasan po yung mga ganitong problema.
Senator Erwin Tulfo, meanwhile, couldn't help but compare the flood control programs to past pork barrel scams.
Pero what we are seeing here is parang mga pork barrel po ito. In short, this is pork barrel. Plain and simple. Kasi ang nangyayari ngayon, flood control programs, parang deja vu po ng pork barrel scam ni Napoles.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.